You all are wholeheartedly welcome in your mathematics class. This is your mathematics book, Mathematics in Real Life. And firstly, we are going to start with chapter 1, which is numbers. But before going to the numbers, I want to introduce the 10 digits which we are having in mathematics. We are having total 10 digits in mathematics on which the complete mathematics is based on. And these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. By compiling these digits, we can make endless numbers. This is your chapter 1, numbers. Numbers play an important role in our life. We use numbers to represent various things in our day-to-day life. Yes, it's correct. We use numbers to represent various things in our day-to-day life. Two examples we are having here. Here my address is 74 Surya Vihar, New Delhi. In this first example, 74 is used to represent the address. Now moving on to next, there are 540 students in my school. Here 540 is also a number which is used to represent the number of students in the school. Now moving on to activity 1, we are having first question here, fill in the blanks. A part, the largest two-digit number is. Again, before going to the numbers, we are on the digits. As I have told you, we are having total 10 digits in mathematics. So, we need to identify which is the largest digit. So, the largest digit is 9. 9 is the largest digit. Now, if we need to write the largest two-digit number, now we know the 9 is the largest digit. So, if we will write 2 times 9, so it will be the largest two-digit number. So, 99 is the largest two-digit number. Now, the second question is the smallest three-digit number is. Now for the smallest digit, again we are on the digits. 9 is the largest digit and yes, 0 is the smallest digit. But 0 doesn't have its own value. If it is alone, then 0 is 0. Means it doesn't have its own value. So we should never start a number with 0. While writing the numbers, smallest digit number, we used to start the number with 1. So, if we need to write smallest two-digit number, so it will be 1 and 1 0. 10. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Now here we need to write smallest three-digit number. So, smallest three-digit number is 1, 0 and 0. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Now coming to next question, complete the table. Number and number names. Here you need to write down the names of the numbers. For writing the names of the numbers, first you need to know about their places. So for the places, we used to start from the right hand. Like first place from the right hand is ones, second is tens, and third is 100. So this number is 458. Now we will write it here in spellings 458. As you can see, I have written here 458. Now in next, it is asking to write the number. Now the name is given to you. You need to write down the number. The number is 271. Again, for writing the number, you will require the places first. So here you will make place ones, tens and 100. The number is 271. So at hundreds place 2 will come Now it is 70. So at tens place 7 will come, and now it is only 1. So at ones place 1 will come. So here we have written 271. Now the rest of the parts you will do yourself for your practice. Now moving on to question number 3rd. Here it is asking circle the smallest number. A set of number is given over here. You need to identify in a set that which is the smallest number. To identify the smallest number, first you need to know that from where you should start. There are two sides of the number. This side is known as right side and this side is known as left side. To know the number whether it is small or large, you need to start with the left hand side from the hundreds place. So you will recognize all the hundreds place of the numbers. First number is having 3 at hundreds place. Second number is having 5 at hundreds place. Third number is having 7 at hundreds place. So which is the smallest among all? 3. 3 is the smallest hundred. That's why 312 will be the smallest number. Now B, C, D you will do yourself. Now in 4th question it is asking circle the largest number. The same pattern we will follow here also. Here again two sides are there, right hand side and left hand side. For finding largest also we will move towards the left hand side. Again we will identify the left hand side's first number in all the numbers. Like here it is 800, here it is 900 and here it is 700. So which one is largest among all? 900. So 925 is the largest number. So we will circle it. Now B, C, D you will do on your own as your practice. Now coming to the 5th question. Here it is asking what comes just before. As you know, the meaning of before means what comes before 458 in the counting. In the counting, what comes before 458? And there is one more pattern also. If on counting you found it, you can find by minus 1 also. So if you will subtract 1 from 458, you will get 457. So 457 comes before 458. Now in the second it is asking 278. Again if you will subtract 1 from 278, so you will get 277. And yes, in the counting also 277 comes before 278. Moving on to B part of the 5th question, it is asking what comes just after. Now you can go with the counting also, that what comes after 789 and you can add 1 also in it. Now after 789, what comes in the counting? 790. And when you will add 1 in 789, you will get 790. Now next is 200. Again you can find by adding 1 or by moving as per the counting. If you will add 1 in 200, so you will get 201. Now third and fourth of both of these questions you will do yourself as your practice. Now moving on to expanded form. What is expanded? What is the meaning of expand? Expand means we need to give a detailed way of something. And in mathematics for this you need to go along with the places. Here also first of all you need to identify the places. Like first number is 347 given to you. So identify its places. 7 is at 1's place, 4 is at 10's place and 3 is at hundreds place. So it will be 300 plus 40 plus 7. Why I have written plus over here? Because if we will add these three numbers, we will get 347. It is a detailed form of 347. Now same in second number 819. Again we will go with the places ones, tens and 100. So it is 800 plus 10 plus 9. So 800 plus 10 plus 9 is the detailed form, expanded form of 819. C and D you will do yourself as your practice. Thank you so much.